Faults. Faults are a hair fracture in a plate boundary. There are three different types of faults: normal, reverse, and lateral. And there's a special type of fault called a thrust, which is just like a reverse but with different angle. We will show you how each fault fits in a different place in the plate boundary. All faults have a fault line and focus point. The epicenter is directly above the focus point. Michaela is doing the reverse and thrust fault, Stevie is doing the normal fault, and Megan is doing the lateral fault. A lateral fault is when two are moving and they create a fault. A fault is a crack in the plate that is caused by the moving, stretching, and pushing together of two plates. Lateral is the kind of fault that is when two types of plates move by each other and stretch and cause these types of faults. Some areas that this kind of fault is moving of the plate of boundaries is California. The type of force used is called shear, and the plate boundary is transformed. A lateral fault is a very interesting and cool type of fault.
Normal fault. A normal fault would occur when there is tension in the plate, which is being pulled apart. A normal fault is placed on a horizontal spot where the plate that is going up has a spot in the crack where it is on top of the plate going down. There is a tension force. Normal fault is opposite of a reverse fault.
Reverse and thrust. Reverse and thrust faults occur in plate boundaries. You will find them when there is a horizontal spot in the plate boundary. The force or stress in a reverse or thrust fault is compression, while the force is actually squeezing it together. So that means for there to be that kind of fault or crack, it must have both forces pushing on it. The foot wall always goes down as the hanging wall goes up. The reverse and thrust fault you will find on a converging plate boundary. The difference between a thrust fault and a reverse fault is that the thrust fault is just a special type of reverse fault that is 30 degrees or less, and a reverse fault is 30 degrees or more. The reverse fault is exactly opposite of a normal fault. The reverse and thrust fault are very common faults.
Jump in! I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie